Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language to English. So in order to do this, first of all open your Google Chrome. Now as you can see my Google Chrome is currently not in English. As you can see this is a different language. So if you're not able to see English here, what you'll have to simply do is follow my instructions. So click on this three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen after opening Chrome and you will see different options, but you won't be able to read anything because it's not in English. So you're going to simply click on this small gear icon that will be the second last option. The last one will be this sign out option and the second one from last will be settings. So click on this gear icon, it will take you up to your settings page. Now as you can see we are not able to see anything in English. So we are just going to click on this icon at the top of this download icon. So this is languages. It will show some other language and A in the logo. So click on this button and it will show up this page. Here, the first one that will be in green will be the current language of Google Chrome. So here what you're going to do is click on this small blue icon at the top right, and in this you're going to simply type in English. So type in English. Now you'll get different variations of English like English India, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, Canada, UK and South Africa. So you can choose whatever English you want for your Google Chrome. For example, I'm going to choose English India. Now I will click on this button after choosing this, and this will instantly add English as a language. Now what you'll have to simply do is click on the three-dotted icon just after the language you have added and click on this button. Now click on this button and it will relaunch Google Chrome. Now my Google Chrome is in English. So that's how you can change Google Chrome language to English. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.